Good morning, children. We have already studied about fractions and how to solve different fractions. Now, let's see some word problem related to fraction. So, let's start exercise 7.9. Solve the following word problems. Question number 1. An empty container weighs 1/3 kg and Vikram put 7/6 kg of rice into that container. What will be the total weight of the container? Now, okay. So, what is given to us? Let's solve it. Now, exercise 7.9. Question number 1. Solution. Okay. It is given that weight of empty container is equal to 1/3 kg. Okay. Now, weight of rice is equal to 7/6 kg. Okay. This is the information provided into first sentence. Here we have to find total weight of the container. So, we have to do addition. Okay. We can write it as. Now, question is what will be the total weight of the container. So, total weight of the container is equal to total weight of the container is equal to 1/3 plus 7/6. Okay. As we see that these fractions are unlike fractions. So, we have to convert it in like fractions. For this, first we will find LCM of denominators. Okay. That is 3 and 6. Now, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Then we will divide from 2. 1 is as it is and 2 ones are 2. LCM is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay. So, we write here LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to 6. So, we multiply first fraction by, that is 1/3 multiplied by 2 is equal to, we have to get here the LCM 6. So, 3 twos are 6 and 1 twos are 2. Now, second fraction is 7/6. We will multiply it with 1 because we have to get denominator as 6. So, 6 ones are 6 and 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now, we see that these are like fractions and we can add it easily by taking the common denominator. Okay. we can write it as 1 upon 3 as 2 upon 6 plus 7 upon 6 as 7 upon 6. Okay. Now we take common denominator, that is 6, and denominators will be added. So we get the fractions 2 plus 7, 9 upon 6. Okay. So the total of fractions. So what will be our final fraction? Therefore, final statement is fraction of the total weight of container is equal to 9 upon 6. This is our answer. Okay. Like this, you can solve all addition word problem. Like 2. John bought 1 half kg of beans and 2/3 kg of tomatoes. What is the total weight of the vegetables? Like question number 1, you can solve question number 2 also. Okay. Now move to question number 3. Ram took 1/3 hour to repair a chair, 2/3 hour to repair a table, and 1/6 hour to repair a cot. Find the total time taken by him for repairing. In this question, we have to find the total time. It is same as question number 1 and 2. So you can find total time taken by him easily. Now move to question number 4. Mrs. Srivastava bought 11/12 liter of milk and Mrs. Shukla bought 5/6 liter of milk. 5/6 liter of milk. Who bought more milk and by how much? Now let us solve it. Now question number 4. Here the question is who bought more. So there is a comparison here. So we have to perform subtraction here. So this is a subtraction word problem. How we will write the answer? Start solution. We can write it as Mrs. Srivastava bought milk is equal to 11/12 liter. Okay. Then Mrs. Shukla bought milk is equal to 5/6 liter. Okay. As we have to find who bought more milk, so the difference will be the answer. So we can write it as a 11/12 minus 5/6. These are unlike fractions. So we have to find LCM of denominators to make it like fraction. Okay. Now LCM of 12 and 6. We can divide it by common factor 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 ja 6. Now from 3 we can divide it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Now from 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 is as it is. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 2 3 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12. So LCM of 12 and 6 is equal to 12. So we will multiply first fraction by 1 because we have to get denominator 12. 12 ones are 12 and 11 ones are 11. Now second fraction is 5 upon 6. So we can multiply it by 2 to get the denominator 12, that is LCM. 5 2 is 10. Okay. Now we can see that both are like fractions and we can subtract it easily. So we can write 11 upon 12 minus 10 upon 12 for 5 upon 6. Now we take common denominator, that is 12, and numerators will be subtracted from greater to smaller, that is 1 upon 12. Okay. So the difference is equal to 1 upon 12. And the question was that who bought more milk and by how much? So we can know here which is the greater fraction. Greater fraction is 11 upon 12. So who bought more milk? Therefore our final statement will be Mrs. Srivastav bought more milk by how much? By, we get the difference, that is 1 upon 12. Answer. Okay. Like this you can solve what problem? Subtraction word problem. 1 upon 12 liter. Okay. Now move to question number 5. A man filled his scooter with petrol by 7/8 liter. In the evening, there was 1/4 liter of petrol left. How many liters of petrol the scooter consumed? Here the question is how many liters of petrol the scooter consumed. Okay. It means that how many liters petrol the scooter consumed and how many liters of petrol left. So we have to do subtraction here. Okay. And this is the subtraction word problem. So we can solve it as question number 4. Now question number 6. What must be added to 7 upon 20 to get 19 upon 15? Here we have to get 19 upon 15. Here the question is what will be added to 7 upon 20 and to get 19 upon 15. So we have to do subtraction here. From 19 upon 15 minus 7 upon 20. Like this you can solve it. Okay. Now question number 7. A notebook weighs 5 upon 12 kg. Find the weight of 10 such notebooks. Here weight of one notebook is given and we have to find weight of 10 such notebooks. So we have to do multiplication here. So this is a multiplication word problem. Let's solve it. Now what is given here? Solution, question number 7. Solution. It is given that weight of one notebook is equal to 5 upon 12 kg. Okay. Now we have to find the weight of such notebooks. That is weight of 10 notebooks is equal to, we have to do multiplication here. That is 5 upon 12 multiplied by 10. Okay. Now we have to do its lowest term. We can divide it by its common factor. That is 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. Now is equal to 5 5 are 25 upon 6. Okay. So 25 upon 6 is the weight of 10 such notebooks. Now our final statement will be, therefore the weight of 10 such notebooks is equal to 25 upon 6. Answer. Okay. Now all word problems of exercise 7.9 is your homework, and mixed exercise 1 and mixed exercise 2 is also your homework. You have to do all this in your maths notebook. Okay. Thank you.